Sup guys, so what's up guys? So I think I've got audio now. I don't know. I'll check on the video. My dad started it, but yeah. Videos in pace without. I'm not gonna get anything good. I'm not gonna get. Dang it! I'm never gonna get. Alright, what does this guy want? Obviously. Why would I do that? That would be stupid. I'm not allowed to. I'm not allowed to. Why is it fucking not? Anyway, guys, I'll be seeing. Let's see. No, I cannot get on the leaderboard. GG. No leaderboard right now. No, never. Never leaderboard, bro. Never. Okay, guys, since I don't want to do toilet tower defenses, to me it's on the spot. Like, I don't know what to do. I finally have audio. I'm happy. And yeah. You know what, I'm gonna join, yeah. Hola, money! Hey, so Dad, if you're gonna watch this, I'm only reading him to see if he wants to play with his mod with me. I will not give him anything. Alright, this will be a video, Dad, so you know I'm not lying, alright? Okay, right, so guys, I know. Stop. Also guys, my friend arrived. One of my friends like 500 accounts from still. Yeah, GG's. I have no idea who has 500 accounts for that still. But it is crazy. Hi Tristan. Gonna play with his mod. So why are you a noob, Tristan? Oh yeah, you don't know before. Yeah, I know before. Well, Tristan? No. I'm just gonna get my loadout for part 2, bro. Well, I've got my loadout. Policy A. Freaky. Under freaky. Alright. I'm not supposed to reply. Are you okay? What?
I know where to put this, Gladys. Right here.
Come on.
The range is better. That's 80 range. Day 1. 30.
What do you sort of sound? Come on, Anos.
Waiting for the upgrade or 600 last expensive brother.
Come on, Anos. Who wants to play fucking Dead Wheels in there or no? SpongeBob Tower Defense Update 17. So I might have to be wanting this. I don't know how to get them. But be GG. $5,000. My friend has Whoa, dirty down. I'm just gonna try and get him real quick. Okay, I'll go there. That's class. Time for the boosted. Give me the...
Show me.
No way. I now I have 3 of these. 3. I have 8. Yeah, but you're not level 15. Holy guys, I'm going to be testing how far my mythics can get in me. But first we will start off here. Smitting. Ready guys? Let's get into this. Bye guys. Today, I need to... Let me go. I'll be trying to do endless in the level. Also, I don't use Smitty. I don't like having class.
Okay, now that I'm hiding.
Anyway, guys. No, who wants Smitty?
Okay,
Hey guys, ready for Act 2? You ready, guys? Let's see, this is a 1. A 0.25 or 0.1. 0.25 for normal. Okay, yeah. I'll get it. Okay, guys, ready? Let's do this. Stop testing. Hey, guys, ready? You ready, guys? Right, look at this. Let's go.
I'm live now, guys. Hello.
I thought not to stick to this. I don't want to pretend to be live, but it's alright. Anyway. So right now, I got this. I'm not even in your mouth. Also guys, the Richard is my best unit. It's really good. This is that line, this is 4, and this is pieces. It's actually earring, and this is, I don't know, splash, I Also yeah guys, this is a new map that doesn't look that. I actually like it. I think I'll be playing the Richard right here. It's the shiny Rumble. Dad, I can't believe someone gave it to me for free. Also, Dad, if you're hearing this, I can't believe I got it for free, but yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, and it's the shiny Rumble. Well, I got added an update 16.5. No, 17, update 17 now. No, have you heard of the new update yet? Clean them up. Oh yeah, WW. Anyways, yeah. So this red guy. This shit is okay. This is like my favorite unit. Because you know how good he is. Okay, the name. Because we can only place 2 farms, so. Okay, you know what? This is okay. My guys, you know what? Everything Richard, he'll be doing the job. And boom. Hi guys, ready? What are these things? I mean, nothing else. Okay, we got 1 golden, 1 max. Go. Now, some of my content is really going to be in SpongeBob Tower Defense. Done. Also guys, my brother is trying to do an RP on his own in cities, you know that? It's important. Also yeah, Richard's range is good, but we've gone to Christmas Puff range up massive. Which is the better? Do you have a gladiator better than the fish in multiple tower defense? Was it Dennis? Oh, Dennis. We got realistic fishes right now. Oh, we're near enough. Everything is master level 5 or something? I don't know. What's the master said? Anyway guys, we got this realistic fish head. It has secret formula. That's what makes him so good. Realistic fish head with proportionate fish. Also DJ's right now. Like oh yeah. Victory already? There's no way I have a victory already. GG guys. How's it? Now, so I am just gonna AFK some units because I have lots of coins. So see ya guys. Alright guys, so I've tried to farm. What the? Oh my god, I'm looking for another fish.
I don't know why it says modded. Oh, probably the owner modded it. Yeah.
No, it's fish modded.
Yeah, probably
You
the
actually
owner modded
told me the first time. I thought it was real fish stuck the first time.
Probably the owner modded it or something.
No, stop.
Yeah, the owner. Oh, whoa! Oh my getting!
What are you getting? What are you getting?
That's not big fish.
Three-eyed fish.
That's fish.
Let me see that.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, guys, and now I will
Here we go.
testing out my cat, right?
Red, look, it's so OP. Look, 5 infinite. Wow.
Oh, yo.
Red, that's how I got one.
Wait, look what someone's getting. Oh my god, people are getting so lucky.
Yeah. Just think about this Arca.
Let me show me the perch.
Yeah.
Show me the perch.
First,
Yeah.
just like this. Show me the three-eyed fish. Show me the mythic fish. 5 times, look at it. No way.
Well, guys, guess what? Next, how
Hey,
they
bro,
sing.
I'm doing the fish carving and I just got an orca. There's no way you got an orca.
There's no way I'm going to walk on.
I did. Don't believe me?
But, right, so guys, I will be doing 170505.
I got an orca. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't see.
What?
my orca.
No, this has to be 17050546.
I'm selling the orca. I can't even.
That's it?
I can't believe I got an exotic though.
Oh no. 170505. Oh, 20. Whoa! I know it's 20.
What? What? They gave me so much.
How much? 10,000.
But Justin, how do we get fishing rods?
I don't know. But anyway, guys.
It says mine using a rod.
So I know something that we can play together. We can have a good time. Why? We can have a good time, guys. In this video, but finally, I follow you. I'm excited, like. This over? No, blah, 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 sure. Shitty, yo, 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 yo. Shy. Oh, wait. What's that sound?
Whoa!
No, guys, actually, I know.
Wow, what's this?
Oh, my God.
Whoa!
Mutated shark. Tristan, what's that?
I know.
Anyway, guys,
I thought it was something rare, like.
I think it is.
First try!
What are you getting?
I see it. I think it's a shrimp or a seahorse. I knew it was a seahorse.
The big golden seahorse. I want to see the size of that.
I know, 1.3.
I know what you're getting.
What am I getting? Whoa!
What's that?
I saw someone with this. Oh my god.
Let me see the size of the golden seahorse.
And then the whisker bill.
What?
And the mutated shark is. The orca was my biggest one.
Yeah, I
So
know that.
that I am a lot of sea. Oh my god. Wait, another mutated shark.
There's no way, Tristan. The mudded fish, this is good.
What?
Big IF station. Oh, so we get what?
So I sold them for nothing. I like some raked and fish.
No, guys.
Oh, a shop.
I know what I'm doing.
Wait.
Right, so you want to see some of these?
Whoa, wait.
I don't know if I like
What's
them.
that? What is that?
What's up?
So why is that big?
Blue tank. See the size of that?
I saw something white big.
Okay, show me. So tell me the size of that blue tank.
It's me. It's Dory.
I'm saying, oh no, this is gay.
Really? Oh.
Right. Got like, well, what? But can you stick something like
Oh.
my name? Oh my! Okay. I have no idea what I'm Ow! I'm putting my head. Me, are you well? To be honest, I think it's well. This is me right now.
Oh my god.
Anyways, guys,
Sweet fish.
this. Just guessing, there's no way. I knew it.
I pulled it. I found what and pulled the dog out and walk sideways. I'm on the side.
It sounds like.
Oh, I can't go down bone. Wait, that's what is a bone? Oh.
Mbappe. Nah, okay, there was.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Whoa. Whoa, actually, hold on.
Kill kid. Kill kid's in the cellar.
It's Fickle. Goose.
Level 20.
backpack?
Where's my
I don't know. Okay, that's it. You better not make my sister mad again because I put you.
Oh, look, 55.
Me, no one cares. What?
10, 55.
Well, the flakes aren't that good.
Look, 200. Look, 300. Mine is 15. No, no.
Right. No, this is cringe. Boom.
I know what time Jackson. I know what time
Ugh. Brother,
Maybe
ugh.
after to that.
What's that?
What is it?
What's that, brother?
Maybe they
That's a lot of truffle worm.
No.
Wait, what's it?
Free jumper.
Maybe I'm recording. My sister has very much.
Oh! Whoa! What is that? What is that? What is that?
Guess you wonder where.
The 300 X-Law is okay. That's how I got it.
Clap your hands.
And even though I don't have arms, I can do everything you guys can.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy.
Look, I glitched it again.
39 what?
I like it again.
Damn, what is that, bro?
So actually, me after seeing Octopus VIP for 25k gems but I only have 14k, me getting the money and buying it.
Damn, what is
I
that,
was
bro?
so happy there. Yeah, I'm saving up gems for Octopus VIP.
Are these the world's most crispy fries? Let's find out.
Right, so this is good. Let's do that.
Now it's time to leave. Can't make it one more. I know that I can't take no more. It ain't no lie. I don't wanna see you out. Baby, bye, bye, bye.
Yes, I have my socks on.
Emotional.
Oh, that's the slipper.
Emotional damage.
Isn't that English? Or
English or Spanish?
I'll try to rush to stop here. What's up, my bro? What? We'll see this. Oh, yeah! Leave us to my bro. I'm in it. Oh! Oh! Come on! What? No one said let me fix that. JJ.
C'è Freddy Fazbear?
Ew! Hey, what's that? Yeah, my baba, you. What's a hitch?
高い高い高い H カップ H カップ
Oh, fake friend. Isn't even. No, but Tristan. No. I'm playing one again.
Oh.
Guys, I'm playing one. Oh, Tristan, why did you shoot me?
Didn't know.
I didn't love that. Oh, why would that go?
How much is this and stuff?
It should have been
Eh!
me, not him. It's not
No, no! No one cares.
1,000.
I played this game before.
There's a teddy one.
Not cringe.
Kaboom. Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
What was it? Yes! Sound from the Sicilian. And smell. La lava. Chicken. Things have a chicken, yes, chicken tail. Mama see tonight you're ringing the bell. Here's things tonight. Thank you. Everyone does.
Anyway, it's a free jump park. Yeah, free jump park.
Tristan, do you want
And
it?
I'm playing fish. Yes, I want it.
Here you go, jump park.
Whoa.
Anyway, guys.
Hear that? That's the sound of Sicily.
Now the smell. Little lava. Chicken. Steve's love chicken, yes, Steve's hell. Oh, Mama, see tonight you're ringing a bell. There's ranges in the smell. Oh, so much spice, it's a long
Let him cook.
time.
Hear that? That's the sound of Sicily. Let him cook.
Haha.
Let him cook now. Let him cook.
Oh yeah, is it? I like the macarena. Macarena. We just really touch up with it. There's a warrior again for unsubbing. Red! JK lol. Just kidding. Moving. No. I do not have brain rot.
How would you go London? Yeah.
Hadi! Subscribe now! Hadi!
Subscribe to Jackson.
No. I'm kidding. Well, what the
Napoleon,
Oh my God,
what will we do?
Guys, this is me when I lose subscribers. Really sad.
There's nothing we can do.
See? Nothing we can do. Man, where's this walk gone? Where's my arm? No. I'm sad when this happens. Alright?
It's only because you're feeling alive.
We no. No, that's brainwash. Yeah. Me vibing to the song right now. Guys, comment King Matt dance if you like this song and dance. Because you know. No, I know it. No. No, that's what you get. Lol. Anyways, we got the... Me after seeing someone unsubscribing. So, POV me after seeing someone unsubscribing. Subscribe now or else I'll unsubscribe from you. Haha. I always subscribe to my subscribers.
Come on, boys. Won't you shake a poor sinner's hand?
I know the sound.
Yes.
No, what's it?
Shake my hand.
Okay.
Come on, boys. Won't you shake a poor sinner's hand?
Okay, done.
Yes.
I'm falling! Oh my god, this is so cute! Oh my god! Okay guys, POV me when I reach my goals on YouTube. Oh my god! No. I just noticed. Me when I lose 10 subscribers or all of them. That actually did happen before. If you were one of my regular subscribers and you're watching this now, if you subscribe back, I actually appreciate it if you did. I just really need 100 subs. Because I've never had that much before. No! POV me when I lose in the game. And I'll try to kill myself in the game because you know I want to. But stop shooting me with your freaking blaster. No. No. I don't care. Yes. Yeah. Stop twisting. No, sir.
Stop chewing so far out, bro.
Whoa,
Leave
what?
that little guy
No,
alone.
oh my.
What you gonna do if I don't?
Wait, did I get scared like you?
You got scared, look. By my nan.
Stop chewing
His
so
users called my nan.
Leave that little guy alone. The f is you gonna do if I don't?
Try to speak man does not get scared.
This is Elon Musk. Yes. Come on. What's up?
You stupid. They're not. What's 9 plus 10? 21. You stupid.
Oh shit. Yes. Can you see me when I try to tell my boyfriend tag or hide and seek in the game on Roblox? No. See if me and my boyfriend have to win in the game. Yummy coffee! No, it's this! What? No. Don't be me when I'm a channel win again.
Your channel is nothing.
What's that?
Your
People
channel
hated
is
me
nothing.
like to
It
me.
serves zero purpose.
What's that?
You should
What's that, guys? So this is when I have haters on my channel and they comment, but That hasn't happened before, but this is what it'll be like.
Your channel is nothing. It serves zero purpose. You should reset character now and give somebody else a piece of that oxygen and ozone layer that's covered up so we can breathe inside this blue trapped bubble. Because what are you here for? To use religion and animal abuse for content? Rethink your life. I mean that with 100%, with 1,000%.
1 billion. No! Well guys, it was nice knowing you for this video. Thank you for the support, guys. I absolutely appreciate it. Hello. See ya. No. Bye.